Hi guys, how you doing today? I have here in my hand a puddle light that goes on the door of your Porsche. The reason why I have this in my hand is because somebody, remains unnamed, this person kicked the other one and broke it. So I said, okay, I'll probably go with the Porsche, buy a new one, just replace it. So I went in there, and of course, Porsche says to me, hey, how about those cool little lights that go to the bottom that says Porsche on it, that you don't have to put the old one back in? Okay, cool. Said okay, give them a shot, and here we are. So I'm about to go install these on the car real quick, and we'll go and see how they look afterwards. All right, hang in there. Now if you notice, if you open the door, you'll have the light in the bottom, which there's a LED light here that I have in here, but the plastic surroundings are completely gone. Just needs to go anyway. So today we're going to be replacing this. All right, for this job, pretty simple. Trim tool, get under here and pry that sucker down, get it, unplug it. As you can see here, little plug, unplug that. Now we have the old light here, new one. Imagine doing all this video here in real time, huh? That's so cool. And there's a plug in the back, as you can see. Just pretty straightforward. The right way, you'll see the little edge on the top there where it slides in, so there's no way you can mistake to put these in. Then you plug it in. Oh, look at my shirt. It says Porsche.
Oh, it's a Porsche. Or a Porsche. That sounds a little bit strange, so the German pronunciation, Porsche.
All right. Okay, it's back in there. Look at my hands. Porsche. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are the new ones, these are the old ones. There's a big difference between both of them. So, alright, if you guys like the little short video, like, subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, okay? That really helps out. And hope to see you guys in the next one. Alright, see you soon. Bye-bye.